Okay. Piper. Well, maybe this way is better. See, she's starting to get hair on her ears and her face. Piper. Piper. And her body is getting some hair on her legs. And her tushy. Her little tush. And of course her feet. But her belly. She's getting some hair on her belly. I don't know if you can see right here where it's longer. Hey, Piper. What are you doing, sweet girl? What you doing, Piper? What you doing, Pee-Pee? What you doing, Piper? Piper. Piper! Piper, 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 Piper. Let's see if I can get you in the sun. Hang on. Ooh, she's nosy. She hears something going by. She's a nosy girl. She's a nosy girl. Wanna say hi to your dad? Wanna say hi to your dad? Say, hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.